Hi viewers, welcome to my classroom. Today's topic is the past perfect tense. Let us move to the class to learn about the past perfect tense. The past perfect tense. Let us see the definition. It refers to an action completed before another action took place in the past. The earlier action is expressed in past perfect tense. So here you will find two actions in the past. One earlier action, the other one later action. The earlier action in the past is expressed in past perfect tense, and the later action is expressed in simple past tense. Let us see the formula: subject plus had plus past participle verb. See the example here. The past participle verb along with had reached, had entered, had received. Let us move to the next slide. In the following conditions we use this tense. See the first one. To express an action which was completed before another action took place in the past. Both the actions are related to each other. The earlier action is expressed in past perfect tense and the later action is expressed in simple past tense. Usually it is used with the words when or before. That means two actions will be here. First action, that is earlier action. The second one, later action we call. Earlier action is expressed in past perfect tense with had. The later action is expressed in simple past tense, means only past tense verb. Let us see the examples. When I reached the stadium, the cricket match had already started. Here you find two actions. One is I reached the stadium. The other one, the cricket match had already started. The earlier action is here, the cricket match had already started. Later action, I reached the stadium. So the earlier action is in past perfect, that is the cricket match had already started. Then afterwards what happened? I reached the stadium. So that is with simple past, reached. So when I reached the stadium, the cricket match had already started. Earlier action is expressed in past perfect tense with had. See the next example. The train had left before I reached the stadium. What is the earlier action here? The train had left. After that you reached the station. So for the earlier action, that is the train left, should be in past perfect tense, that is with had. The train had left before I reached the station. I reached the station is later action, so it is simple past. See the next example. When the teacher entered the classroom, the students had already submitted their projects. That means the teacher had entered the classroom only after the students had submitted. Okay. So here you find two actions. Earlier action is the students had already submitted their projects. Then afterwards the teacher had entered the class. So that is the second action. So here we find the earlier action is expressed in past perfect tense. That is the students had already submitted their projects. Next example. The thief had escaped from the house before the police arrived. What was the first action? The thief escaped. What was the later action? The police arrived. So earlier action should be in past perfect, that is with had. Had escaped. The thief had escaped from the house before the police arrived. Hope you followed. Second point. To show an action happened before a specific time in the past. That means past perfect tense is used to show an action happened before a specific time in the past. See the examples. Here we must have a specific time. First one. By 8 a.m. all the members had entered the meeting hall. By 8 a.m., that means before that, all the members had already entered the meeting hall. So in this sense, we can use past perfect, that is, had entered. Second example, Karan had established his company before 2010. Before 2010, what happened? Karan had already established his company. So here also a stipulated time is there, that is specific time. Here you can use past perfect tense, that is, had established. Karan had established his company before 2010. Sindhu had never played football until last month. Until last month, a specific time in the past. What happened before that? Sindhu had never played football. So here also past perfect verb has been used, that is, had never played. Next example, the baby had fallen asleep before 7 o'clock. Before 7 o'clock in the past. What happened? What had happened? The baby had already fallen asleep. So here also you can use past perfect tense, as there is a specific time period in the past. The baby had fallen asleep before 7 o'clock. Hope you followed. Let us see the next point. The past perfect tense is used to express an action happened before something else in the past. So here also you can find out two actions, earlier action and later action. Let us see the examples. Raj lost his game because he had not practiced enough. Before Raj lost his game, what happened? What action took place? He had not practiced enough. So the earlier action is here, he had not practiced enough. So Raj lost his game. See the next example. Karishma had learnt Tamil before she moved to Chennai. Before she moved to Chennai, what action had taken place? Karishma had learnt Tamil. So this is earlier action. So here we should use past perfect tense, that is, had learnt. Karishma had learnt Tamil before she moved to Chennai. See the next example. Manoj stayed up all night at home because he had received bad news. Why Manoj stayed up all night at home? Because he had received bad news. Because of bad news, Manoj stayed up all night at home. Right? Hope you followed it. Next point. The past perfect tense is used to express some unfulfilled actions or conditional actions in the past. Let us see the examples. If he had worked hard, he would have passed. Conditional. If he had worked hard, had worked, the condition, he would have passed. Next example. If she had come in time, if she had come in time, her mother would have taken her to the exhibition. So here also you can find out conditional action. If she had come in time, her mother would have taken her to the exhibition. Next example. If he had reached the station in time, he would have caught the train. He would have caught the train only if he had reached the station in time. So here also you can find out a conditional clause. If he had reached the station in time, he would have caught the train. Hope you followed. Let us see the next point. The past perfect tense is used to show dissatisfaction or unfulfilled wish in the past. See the examples. She wished she had seen her grandma. Here you try to understand. She wished to see her grandma, but she could not. So in this case, you can use past perfect, had seen. She wished she had seen her grandma. Next point. Chandu wished he had attempted all questions. Chandu wished to attempt all questions, but he could not. So here we can use past perfect. Chandu wished he had attempted all questions. Next example. Prem wished he had won the election. Prem wished to win the election in the past, but he could not win. So in this case we can use had won the election. Prem wished he had won the election. Madhuri wished she had accepted the offer of the job. Madhuri wished to accept the offer of the job, but she did not do. She could not do it. So here we can use past perfect. Madhuri wished she had accepted the offer of the job. Hope you followed. Let us pay attention on extra examples for past perfect tense. Before we move to the examples, please concentrate on the earlier actions, because the earlier actions should be in past perfect with had. Had, past participle verb. See the examples. When I reached the theatre, the movie had already begun. So earlier action is here. The movie had already begun. Had begun. The match had just started when I entered the playground. Here also the earlier action is the match had just started. Had just started, past perfect. Mahesh had left home when Reshma arrived. When Reshma arrived, what action took place earlier? Mahesh had left home, past perfect. The bell had gone before I reached the school. Before I reached the school, what action took place? The bell had gone, past perfect. The rain had stopped before we came out of the mall. Before we came out of the mall, what action took place? The rain had stopped, past perfect. The child had slept before his mother returned from the office. Before his mother returned from the office, what action took place? The child had already slept. Had slept, past perfect. Hope you followed. A few more examples. Let us pay attention over the past perfect verbs. If he had finished the task in time, he would have won the prize. Conditional clause. If he had finished the task in time, had finished, past perfect. I wished I had appeared at the test. Unfulfilled wish. I wished I had appeared at the test. Had appeared, past perfect. By sunset, they had watered the plants in the garden. By sunset, a specific time before that. They had watered the plants in the garden. Had watered, past perfect. If you had helped her, she would have got good marks. Conditional. If you had helped her, she would have got good marks. Had helped, past perfect. I had waited for my sister until she arrived. Time bound. Until she arrived. I had waited for my sister. Had waited, past perfect. Hope you followed. And that's all, viewers. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe and click on bell icon. Thank you very much.